Here is how to leave a community that you join on X. Now, if you join a community and you no longer want to be part of that community on X, here is how to leave. Click on your profile icon on the top right-hand area, go over to community, and then click on the exact community that you want to leave. I actually have a community that I want to leave. This one first. Now, you notice on the top left-hand area, you click on that more option, and then as easy as that, select the last option that says leave community and confirm that you want to leave the community. And it just shows you this information that says, are you sure you want to leave? Put the name of the community, and then you just click on leave community, and that is it. You will be able to be removed from the community automatically after you have selected that. Hold on. Yeah, I have left the community. I don't know why it's still open and in the community, but I already left the community. You can see it's no longer showing here. And also, these are all the communities that I actually joined. They are all showing here. So you can actually click on this area to quickly open the community. But then you can also see and sort them out. But the only issue is that you cannot remove yourself from this area. You can only see the post. But if you want to remove anytime, click on your profile icon, go over to community, and then swipe to the exact area you want to. And you click the three-dotted icon, and then you leave. And also how to make post. You can see the plus icon right there. You click and then you make your post. All right, guys, I hope this is helpful. Don't forget to smash like. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.